Dear veterinarian, welcome to Dr. Vet channel. We are moving to a question bank number 3 in the subject of gynecology. Next time we'll move with question number 4, gynecology, total 100 question. Initially, I will give in each subject. My idea is and plan is to give a cream 500 questions that can give you 80% answer in the examination. Question 1. Name the hormone responsible for development of mammary gland alveolar tissue. Important question. Answer: progesterone. Progesterone causes the development and maturity of mammary gland alveolar tissue. Question 2. Time of abortion due to trichomoniasis in cattle. Important question for the differentiation of abortion in clinical way. Answer is midterm of pregnancy in cattle or 4 months of pregnancy. In case of brucellosis, it is last trimester of the pregnancy. Here it is midterm of pregnancy or 4 months of pregnancy. Question 3. Domestic animal which is long day breeder. Important question. Answer is mare. In mare, the short days causes inhibitory effect on pineal gland. So the long-term days breeder is mare. Question 4. Beta blocking agent that is used at the onset of the labor to shorten the duration of parturition so that parturition becomes little bit earlier. Important question from clinical point of view. Answer is Carazolol drug. Carazolol causes shortening of the duration of the parturition. Question 5. Name common strain of Brucella that causes infection in sheep and goat. Important question. Brucella melitensis is the major cause of brucellosis in sheep and goat. Question 6. What is the other name of masturbation? Masturbation is the famous word, but other name where there is Bible is working. So onanism is a Bible term used in place of masturbation. Question 7. What is the age of fetus at which the sexual differentiation of fetus in male or female occur in cattle species? The answer is at the age of 1 month or 30 days there is differentiation of fetus, sexual fetus, male or female. Question 8. Name vitamin necessary for gametogenesis. Important question from clinical point of view for the treatment also. Answer is vitamin E, tocopherol, is required for gametogenesis. Question 9. Name the joint disease caused by brucellosis in bull. Actually, it is not a disease of joint, it is disease at joint. It is a disease of the one cavity. The answer is hygroma. Important question. Hygroma occurs in female as well as male also, but more common in bull. Question 10. Tracheolography. What is it? Answer is, it is the surgical sewing or surgical suturing of tearing of the uterine cervix, or if there is injury to the uterine cervix, or if there is laceration to the uterine cervix. It is a surgical suturing of the injury to the uterine cervix. Question 11. When we can say oligospermia means less sperm count is less than 40 million per ml of semen content is considered as oligospermia. Important question. Question 12. Abortion. We are using general term abortion. What is abortion? Answer, expulsion or throwing out of dead fetus from the uterus is called abortion. Question 13. Diameter of penis of a mature bull. Answer is 3 to 4 centimeter diameter is the measurement of penis of the bull. What is the length of penis in bull? It is 3.5 feet to 100 centimeter long. That is also a important question. Question 14. Use of dystocia hooks. Important from clinical point of view. When we have a hooks, what is its uses? Either to repulse the fetus, to rotate the fetus, or what? The answer is, the dystocia hooks are used for traction of the fetus, just to drag the fetus, traction of the fetus. Question 15. Name the hormone that cause growth of the Graafian follicle. Important question. Follicle stimulating hormone causes the growth of Graafian follicle. Question 16. Name the defect in fetus. The fetus shows absence of skin in lower legs, muzzle, ear, and some part of the body. These parts are missing the skin. Name the defect. The answer is epitheliogenesis imperfecta. The name of answer itself suggests that epitheliogenesis is imperfect. So name is epitheliogenesis imperfecta. Question 17. Important step for the control of campylobacteriosis. There are several other steps also for the control of campylobacteriosis, but one of the important step is answer artificial insemination with, a very important thing is, added antibiotics in liquid serum, liquid semen. Added antibiotics in liquid semen. Important question. Question 18. Cylinder length of artificial vagina in REM. Answer is 20 centimeter cylinder length. Question 19. What is the site of deposition of semen in mare? Answer, the semen is deposited at the cervix. Question 20. Common drug used for the treatment of parturient paresis or milk fever or hypocalcemia. Very important question from exam point of view, from clinical point of view. Injection calcium borogluconate intravenous. Question 21. Type of female hormone used for the treatment of threatened abortion. Important for the exam point of from the clinical point of view for the treatment of threatened abortion. Which hormone will you give? Answer is progesterone. It is a female hormone. Injections are available. Tablets are also available. Question 22. Hormone that leads the secretion of estrogen. Answer: follicle stimulating hormone. One way or other way it induces estrogen secretion. Question 23. Name the internal lining of the uterus. Very easy question, important also. The internal lining of the uterus is answer endometrium. It is important from clinical point of view. When we say metritis, it's generally endometritis. Most of the cases that shows the urine discharge from the vagina is endometritis. Question 24. Hormone secreted by corpus luteum. Important question. And that is also useful for maintenance of pregnancy also. The answer is progesterone. Question number 25, last question. Name the organ for maturity of sperm. Important question. Sperms are formed, but where they mature, where they stay for maturity. Important question. The name of place or organ is epididymis, where the sperm maturity occurs.